Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn something new, that is ecosystem. Do you know what is ecosystem? I'll explain you. An ecosystem is a community where living organisms like plants, animals, human beings and non-living things like air, water, soil, everything live in interaction and community, and they are dependent on each other. We need to depend on each of the ecosystem to live properly a balanced life. Now there are different kinds of ecosystem, like here we have desert, then we have marine, at the back we have forest, and here we have tundra region. Now you can see all of them are different. Our ecosystem can be as small as a puddle and as big as a desert, tundra region or forest area. We can also consider our earth ecosystem in this universe. So we are part of this ecosystem. Now we will learn something very little of each of these ecosystems. We will start with tundra region. The tundra region, the name comes from a Finnish word tunturia, which means a land which has no trees. It is a barren land which is mostly covered in snow. You see, there would be very less vegetation, and especially during summers we only get herbs and shrubs which can take this low temperature because it is going into minus. It is very difficult for natural normal vegetation to grow in this cold area. The animals which we can see here, like polar bear, whale or penguins, these are used to living in this cold region. They have adapted to this cold region and very minimum food. The polar bear, as you know, goes into hibernation when it is not getting food during very cold region. There are different animals which you can see here, and they survive in this cold area, but takes very efforts because for humans it is not able to survive in this region. The other region is forest region. Here you can see there are different kinds of animals, trees, mountains, a little bit of the stones. Here we can see there are rivers, lakes. So this is forest region. It is contributing to the highest oxygen supplement to our planet Earth. The animals over here live happily, and we can find multiple animals like lion, tiger, monkeys, everything in this region. It is the most fertile region. The water, the food, everything is ample over here as compared to tundra region. Now we shall move ahead and discuss two other regions, that are desert and marine. Over here in marine, as you can see, it is the water area, the salty water area, in which we find octopuses, we find jellyfish, different kinds of huge whales, some jellyfish, and some animals are still not discovered because the dark ocean lands, the below the water, are not yet discovered. We have to be very careful when we are visiting the marine land areas, because the very chances of pollutions have increased in this area as well. There are some industries, there are some factories which are discarding some polluted chemicals, some plastics into this marine lands, in this marine areas, where the aquatic animals, they take all this in their body, they try to eat it and they die. It is poisonous liquid, it is chemicals which kill many of the animals which are found in marine region. Now next is the desert region. The desert region is called desert because we do not find more water over here. The very limited water is found in this region. It is covered in sand, and we do not find much vegetation other than cactus or some palm trees. As you can see here, some animals like camels, some crabs, some spiders, some snakes have got used to this kind of region and adapted to the hot temperature in this region. We do not find much food and water in the desert region. We should also take care of our ecosystem because we are the one who are living in this ecosystem. We should not litter around, we should not throw garbage here and there, and we should use plastic in the minimum use. We should reuse the things, recycle things, and we should try to keep our earth, our ecosystem, our planet neat and tidy, clean for our future generations. That's all for today. Thank you.